The Citizen Zenshin Super Titanium series. Another loaner from a friend of mine. Thanks for the support to the channel. I appreciate it. This one's a looker here. Let's get a bird's eye view of this Citizen Titanium. Price right for this one. Might as well get you excited right away out of the box, out of the gates. Great wrist shots are coming. Great profile shots are coming. $596 Canadian. I think that's a steal. If you're new to the channel, my wrists are 7¼ inches. This is not a paid review. My opinions are my own. Citizen, call me if you'd like me to do a review for a couple of your designs. No problem. Now, a friend of mine and a friend of the channel has loaned me this watch, so it's got to go back. And of course, the size of our wrists are different, and I'm not going to make adjustments to the strap. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to try this one on. But I'm going to put it on Amy's wrist for some of the shots so she can show you. I can show you on her wrist how it looks. Today's sponsor, Daily Watch. Thanks very much for all the support. I appreciate it. It's your go-to watch accessories site for all kinds of things you want to look at. As an enthusiast, collector, whatever it might be, even someone who's looking for a gift for someone else, you can go there and check out different things. They have cases, they have rolls, they have stands, they have trays, they have mats. They even have watch cleaning kits. All kinds of options for you. I'll drop a link down below. You can check them out at your leisure, do some shopping online. No problem. Get 10% off. There'll be a promo code that's attached, TheCovertCrow. Thanks for all the support. Daily Watch. Now here we go, getting back to this Citizen beauty. This watch is a good looking watch. Let's get into the specs there. I'll post them for you as well. But right away, I got to tell you, this thing is lightweight. And you would think that that's normal because, yes, it is titanium over stainless steel. Overall weight, I put it on the scale myself. I was so surprised how light it was. 78 grams, full package with the bracelet and all. I love the octagonal contemporary design case. Similar case design to one of my favorites, micro mil spec with the octagonal shape. 39mm silver tone grayed out titanium with polished edges that look real smart. Push-pull crown with a screw-down case back and sapphire crystal on top. I know you're going to like that. All the hardness and scratch resistance you need. Integrated lug design similar to that of the Tissot PRX. 24mm across the width of this lug, and you're looking at about a 10.3mm thickness. And I think that is one of the stars of the show, because on the wrist, this is going to have a great low profile for you. 100 meters of water resistance, which is fantastic, just in case you fall in the pool or the ocean. And a fixed bezel there with polished lines around it, elevating the look, right? Just, it looks really sharp. It's insane, this build quality for such a reasonable price. This watch is fantastic. All the strength and toughness with a smart casual dress look, right? Titanium gives you 5 times the hardness of the stainless steel and 40% lighter. You can't go wrong. You're probably going to start asking yourself, why aren't more watches made in titanium? Every watch company should be making them in titanium. Now the dial here, I like this green, this turquoise. It works for me. It just pops. And Amy loves it too. One of her favorite colors actually. And it's a simple dial with the date display. For me personally, I feel just the date would have been okay. You don't need the day, but it is what it is. You comment below, let me know, do they need it or not? And it's black on white display. It might have been better if it was color matched a little bit, but now you have applied rectangular markers, lume filled all the way around to the 12, where they're doubled up there for the orientation, which is great. Lume filled pencil style hands and a large silver seconds hand running around this dial. It all just looks good. It's pretty clean and sharp. Citizen at the 12, Eco Drive Titanium at the 6. Overall, the looks are finished off quite well. A little bit darker on the outer perimeter tracker there, which adds a little bit of contrast there, which is great for time measuring. And the movement here, we're looking at the Eco Drive movement. Maybe you've heard of it. No battery replacements required here for this quartz movement. Caliber J800, powered by any light source. That means this light, the sunlight, the exterior light, even if the sun's in the clouds, still, light's going to be absorbed in there and powering the cell for this watch. Strap is titanium, lightweight, smooth link system with the push button deploy and closure there, and a couple of points of micro adjustment, but it tapers from 24mm down to 20mm at the closure, which is also signed on the clasp with Citizen. Now, my friend V spoke highly of this design. A lot of fun to wear, and definitely one of the ones that you can wear for that long part of the day, or every day for that matter. And it's definitely lightweight. Amy can attest to that. She enjoyed her time with it on the wrist. She's not a watch girl, but she can help me out from time to time like that. I was a little sad, I'm not going to lie, that I couldn't experience it myself because of the sizing, but no problem. It's still a really damn classy design. Thanks, V, for the loaner. I enjoyed my time with it. Thanks for coming to the channel. I'm Ross. Appreciate all the support. Keep doing all the fancy things you do to set yourself up for another video. And you know what? Until then, take care of you and yours. See you on the next one.